CleverlyBox. Hey there, welcome to my CleverlyBox review. In this video, we are going to look at the main features of this email autoresponder software app that uses AI. Take a look at the demo video inside the members area and basically talk about the pros and cons of this approach. Before we dive into this CleverlyBox review, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this at home for over 10 years now, which is a really cool, flexible way to earn an income. So I've seen lots of different software tools come and go in that time. So hopefully my experience and thoughts on this new launch will be of help to you. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. So with CleverlyBox, basically what it is, it's kind of an alternative to popular email autoresponder services such as GetResponse and Aweber, where you've got more control over the list you're importing and how you interact with it compared to maybe a company which likes to verify your list a bit more. However, normally I am quite skeptical of these software launches which claim to be an Aweber or GetResponse killer, because in my opinion, the typical newbie, beginner, even intermediate level marketer is way better off just sticking to Aweber or GetResponse, the big autoresponders that have been going for years. They're experts at getting in the inbox. And I subscribe to lots of marketing email lists where marketers are sending out their promotions. And I scroll through that each day on Gmail. And the vast majority of them are from Aweber that are hitting the inbox. Reasonable amount from GetResponse as well. I don't normally see that many self-hosted solutions, so that means people are struggling to get in the inbox with those self-hosted solutions, or they're just not as popular. And so normally it's a bit over the top, the alternatives to Aweber, GetResponse and these launches. However, there are some really cool features with CleverlyBox that I do like the look of, so we can go through some of the advantages of that. Basically, things they do specialize in is really analyzing your email list for emails that could end up in the spam box, that could be spam traps and worth removing to improve your reputation. They will analyze the emails so you can change the wording so you're less likely to end up in the spam folder. And what they do is they warm up your own IP addresses which you can use as part of a customer. So they've got inbuilt SMTP services with warmed up IPs you can use to send mail, and you can import your subscribers in there to do so. So some of their advanced spam detection with both the content and the type of emails on your list will help build a reputation, and the warmed up IP addresses. So those additional features could well help certain internet marketers who already have an email list and don't necessarily want to use any of the other services or even the other SMTP providers. This could be a new unique service. I think this is best suited for people who do cold emailing. Maybe you're a domain name seller and you want to cold email relevant businesses to buy your domain name, or you've got some sort of tangible, real service you're offering your clients. Maybe you're a freelancer, you've got web design and marketing services you want to cold email people about. Something relevant, business-to-business type services. I think CleverlyBox could be a good idea because you're copying and pasting in imported emails, which you could struggle to do with other service providers. They don't like importing that much. They prefer you to build your list from scratch. But you're importing legitimate business-to-business inquiries, which you could do in somewhat of a bulk way by offering relevant services to relevant businesses, but it's not as bulk as importing a big retail list and blasting out affiliate links. So I think if you do cold emailing in the right way, CleverlyBox could be a good solution, just because of the flexibility of importing subscribers, checking the spam traps. I think this is good for cold calling legitimate business-to-business inquiries. For the more generic list building, building a list of thousands of subscribers to promote affiliate offers. I think for that, you're better sticking to Aweber and GetResponse. But there are definitely some advantages of the tools you get inside CleverlyBox. Just have a quick look inside the members area. You can create these campaigns, very simple to lots of autoresponder services. You give them a name. You're setting up your own unique sending domains with domains that you own. You can buy them cheaply from Namecheap or GoDaddy. And they'll go through how to set everything up for your reputation. They've got a reputation score in the top here, so that a big focus is always focusing on your reputation, removing spam traps, removing spam emails, just making sure you're hitting the inbox so you can really boost your deliverability rates. You've got AI tools to help you write and edit the emails, so you don't have to write them from scratch each time, but you can do. You've got the flexibility. You've got done for you email templates. You've got automation in place where you can do automated follow-up and have automated actions depending on how your subscribers react to certain emails, what actions they're taking. And you've got mail cleaners when you import the lists as well. And you've got lots of integrations with other third-party services. You can create lead capture pages to build your email list from scratch, as well as importing subscribers yourself. So this is a really good alternative for people who are doing more cold calling style services and want to use AI to help. For the typical beginner who hasn't got much of an email list or hasn't got any email list, I think you're probably better off starting with some of the more popular services, and it could be a bit over the top. But some more intermediate marketers will definitely get value of the services inside CleverlyBox. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out this video. Hope it was of help. If you want to discover how I've been earning a full-time income online, working from home for over 10 years now, and my number one system to plug into right now for that, then click the link below, click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. Thanks a lot for checking out my CleverlyBox review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.